So, up until now, everything you've ever heard about Amazon probably has either a really, really big price tag on it or sounds absolutely impossible to do. You've probably been familiar with Fulfilled by Amazon, FBA or FBM, to where you have to white label your own product and buy thousands of dollars worth of stock and store your stock with Amazon, and as it gets low, replenish it. And there's just a lot of money out of pocket and a lot of money washing to eventually get you to where you're making a very nice profit. What if I could teach you the other side of Amazon that allows you to cut out the cost and rack up the profit? So, what I'm showing you right here, right now, is an Amazon associate, my Amazon associate back office. And I just believe that I should show you the process instead of try to hype you up or balloon you up as much as my first minute little pitch there did, right? So what you're seeing is the ability for us to come in and type in any product that's listed on Amazon, and we can get a specific affiliate link that's tied to us for that product where we're going to make up to 10% on that product. Now, here I just did some of the homework for you. I went and found some of the best selling items around this time of year. And one obviously happens to be the newest Ultra HD TV. I went ahead and grabbed the link right here, and we happen to get 8% on all electronics. So we'll turn around and make, and I'll just let you see this as we're doing this because I'm cutting out some of the hard work for you. You can have a standard link, but I like to just grab a short link and then go ahead and grab that there. But we can make 8% on that, and since that was almost a $2,700 television, that's just shy of $250. It's like $230 per sale, but let's just go ahead and say $200 for that, and you can turn around and find people who want this television, right? And I'm not going to put any, like, if you do one per day, you're going to make 6 grand per month, which is actually closer to 7 grand per month coming in. But that is the number. But just the ability to do simple things like go into social media, find somebody who's literally saying, I need a new TV, click reply to them. I log in there, click reply to them, and be able to post your link about that TV. And what's really cool is you're backed by Amazon, because if they go to that link, it's actually a link, and here I have one present. If we click on this, if they go to that link, it's actually Amazon's portal, if you will. It's Amazon's actual site, but it's tethered to you. This is obviously our Fire Stick because we were doing this with other products already today. I just did that TV as an example. But this is tethered to you. It's tied to you. So if they use their Prime for free shipping and all of that stuff, if they buy, you're going to make 8% or 10% or up to 10% based on what you're selling. And it could be $49 on a little Fire Stick. It could be $3,000 to $7,000 on those big new TVs. And, 8% of $7,000 is, $670. So you could have almost a $700 day from something that's hot on Amazon.com right now. And I want to expand your horizons a little bit as you think about this, because as you come aboard with us, if you want to partner with us, you're going to learn how to rethink all of this. And there's a reason why I don't map out the whole $100 a day plan, blah, 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 or $2,000 a month plan, blah, blah, blah. It's because if you come in here and you pick niches or you look at what's selling really hot right now, you can turn around and go into social media. That was just one little taste of what we teach you being a partner with us. You can go in and find people who are talking about needing your product and introduce it to them, copy and paste style by the hundreds. Guys, I know you see this. And we're still in this year, right? We haven't even crossed over to 2018 yet, and we're right here in 2018. That was at least 300 or 400 people that in the last, now going on 6 days, has said, I need a new TV. And that's just one product on Amazon. We could do it with a Fire Stick as well, because clearly somebody else right here is talking about wanting a Fire Stick, right? And you can just introduce your products to them. So I want to help you in all of this. I want to walk you through becoming an Amazon associate, getting you set up so that you can come into this back office, learning how to go find hot selling items on Amazon and go grab your affiliate link so that you can turn around and sell them to people directly, or using our marketing services to find these people on social media and introduce them to the products they want, and potentially, bring home a $200 paycheck per TV, a $700 paycheck per TV, a $5 paycheck per the hundreds of Fire Sticks that you're going to promote. 10% on a lot of items, from clothing, which sells hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of clothes a day on Amazon, to jewelry, which sells millions of dollars a day of inventory on Amazon. Things of that nature that you can get a little piece of the pie on, and you can find whatever niche you're passionate about. Maybe you have a sports Facebook fan page and you wanted to legitimately promote your favorite team's gear and get paid for it. Well, up to here, you get 9% on all clothing. So you can turn around and sell that jersey for $60 and you can walk away with a cool $8 from it. Almost $10 per jersey, etc. You can sell those $300, $400 helmets or memorabilia stuff and earn, a good $50 on some of that stuff. So things of that nature, we're going to, walk you through in our group and with our partnership. Now, I wanted to make this extremely affordable. I wanted to make this a no-brainer for people, and I wanted to make it in a way that you can succeed and we can succeed. So not only did I make this a one-time payment to be involved in our partnership, but I made it a low-time payment because I believe that anybody who plugs into what we're teaching can and will succeed from this. So if you want to be in our partnership, here's what we offer. You get access to our Facebook group. You get access to us walking you through creating and getting you set up as an Amazon associate, which doesn't cost anything to you. We help you find our top 10 list of Amazon products that you should be selling, and we help you find, specifically based on trainings, how to go in and find a niche product that may mean something to you, and find other relevant things that you can branch out with to make daily sales off of, so that you can build yourself a legitimate business in case you have one of those niche passions in sports or in jewelry or in fashion or in sport and TV memorabilia XYZ. We also give you access to our different marketing methods, such as the one that I taught you for free on this video, showing you how to go find people who are directly asking for, or the perfect product or perfect buyer for the product that you're trying to promote off of Amazon, and be able to introduce that link to people directly. Now, I know what you're thinking about all of this. It should be a month by month payment. Why am I going to sell it to you one time? Well, the reason that I am is because I do think it should be a month-to-month payment. And instead of asking for a month-to-month payment, I'm actually asking you for 10% of your net profits. Now, I know that sounds crazy, but that's how much I believe that you will succeed if you join my partnership and if you follow with what I'm teaching you. That I'm so bold that I will let you buy in one time into this partnership, and then I won't make money off of you again until you make money. And if I want to make, $1,000 off of you per month, you have to make $10,000 for that to happen, which obviously, as you see, I just showed you how you could sell one TV and make $700. So it wouldn't be hard to think if you did that every single day, you'd make $21,000 in a month. So it wouldn't be hard to think that I could make that goal actually happen for helping you succeed, right? So I'm putting my money where my mouth is, and the other way I'm putting my money where my mouth is I'm sure you're thinking there's going to be like a $1,000 price tag or a $497 price tag, or maybe even, if I'm crazy, a $250 price tag, but I'm actually not selling it for any of those things. I'm actually letting the next 40 people in for just $100 one-time payment and that 10% ongoing partnership agreement. Now, you should grab that offer before all 40 spots fill, because I've literally have 73 people who commented on this last post asking for information about this, and I know 40 of you are going to grab it. And then after that, I'm going to have to cut a new video where I up the price or maybe even close it off, because I want to be able to really invest in these people. I now have a full-time staff of people that help me. They'll be in there answering your questions in the group. They'll be in there teaching you different ways that you can generate more leads, or answering any questions on lead generation you have. I even have a phone closing team that will call up leads for some of our opportunities that we're promoting, that you'll get to hear about in case you're interested in the group and things of that nature. So I have a full staff that's dedicated to your excellence, and I take things very seriously. But even with a full staff now, I can't handle more than about 100 clients realistically and help them really succeed. So I'm starting and stopping at 40, and helping you all achieve that goal to where you're making, that $200 or $300 a day coming in, to where you're seeing about a 6-figure per year income for yourself off of that $300 a day lifestyle or more. And potentially, obviously, you can make up to $700 or more per day just off of selling the TV that I showed you how to sell, right? So you can turn around and make that your own. But I want you to be in this partnership for $100 one time, to follow our process, to dedicate yourself to excellence, and to make yourself enough money to reach your goals with e-com and with Amazon. You're backed by a multi-billion dollar company. You're backed by one of the world's first $1 trillion companies. It will be in the next 5 years. And this is a wave that's going to keep increasing and keep going up. Guys, this is the way for you to be involved with Amazon without having that big $5,000 or $10,000 price tag on getting your own private labeled products, getting them stocked up in there and get them selling, and be able to use Amazon's backing. Because when you send this link to a person, they're going to go to that link that I just showed you that is Amazon.com, but it's linked to you. And when they shop there, you're going to earn the affiliate commission. What goes in their cart, you're going to earn up to 10% on, just for them buying through your portal that is Amazon.com. So you get to use their backing to make this a legitimate push. You can go find the people who are actually talking about needing that product or service right here on Twitter, how I showed you how in this video, and then they're going to go to your Amazon site and they're going to buy there because they know it's Amazon and they feel trusted there. And you're going to earn the affiliate because you are technically an Amazon associate. You are backed by Amazon and you are backing Amazon, helping them sell. So I want you to be a member of our partnership, to use what I just taught you in this video and what we'll teach you in the group to build yourself an Amazon empire and make it something that's important to you, that changes your 2019 and makes it the best year for you. So if you want to be a member, if you want to be a partner, it's a one-time $100 fee for the first 40 people. Then I'm going to have to make a brand new video, and ongoing, it's a 10% of just the net profits, what you take home in profit from what we teach you and what you do in our business as far as generating these sales daily. So click the buy button below if there is one. If you're one of my early bird members that catches this just from my YouTube channel or from me sending you a link, reply back. We'll get you started and set up. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you took some great value from it, and I hope to see you as an Amazon partner.